Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. Today we will see if else statement in Java. In Java, the if else statement is used to test a condition. Now, there are various types of statements in Java like if statement, if else statement, and if else if later statement. Okay, so it basically uses a condition and then gives the output based on that condition. Okay, so we have if statements, then if else statement, and if else if later statement. If statement is used when you have only one condition and you want the output based on that condition only. If else statement is used when you have a single condition, but if the first condition fails, then when you have to give the output of that failure, we use else statement. And if else if statement is used when you have more than one condition. Okay, so below we have examples of every condition and we have taken those examples in our Eclipse IDE. So let us see there only. So here, so first we are taking input from the user. So we have imported the scanner class, which is used to get the input from the user. Like here we have used java.util.scanner class, which scan the input entered by the user. Okay. So inside the main method, we have to create the object of that class. Okay. We have created the object of the scanner class. Okay. And then we use system.in. Okay. Means input from the system. Did you understand? Creating this object is very important to get the input. Okay, and then we use system.out.print. Okay, print, and then we enter whatever we have to print to get the input from the users. Like we are printing here, please enter your age. Okay, so user will understand that here he has to enter the age of him. And after that we have to give a variable name. Like here we have given an int age, and then we have to use the scanner dot and next int is used to get the input as an integer. Okay, if I want to get the input as a string, I use next dot line. Do you understand? So this is how we get the input from the user. And after getting the input, we are first using the if statement. Okay. So to define a if statement, we use if, then we use circular bracket. Okay. Inside the circular bracket, you can give whatever condition you want. And after that, in curly braces, you give the execution of that condition. Means saying the condition, what will be our execution. Okay. Like here, you can create your bank account when your age is greater than equals to 18. Did you understand? So if the user enters the value above 18, then it will give, you can create your bank account. Else it will not give anything because we doesn't have else statement here. So if I will run this, you will see it will give me an input prompt. So it has given me a place to enter the input. So please enter your age. So let us give 21 here. So if I will press enter, then it will give you can create your bank account. But issue here is that if I enter less than 18 value like 16, so it will not give me any output. Did you understand? So that's why we use else statement. So let us see the else statement. So here we have if else statement. So where first condition is our same, like if age is greater than equals to 18, then print you can create your bank account. And the next one is if this value, if this condition is false, then it will give us else condition. Okay, so what is our else? So we are printing you can't create your bank account, your age is less than 18. Okay, so here if the user enters the age less than 18, then it will give us output you can't create your bank account. Okay, so if I will run this, we have to enter the age, so we will enter 16 here. Okay, so if I will enter 16, it will show you can't create your bank account, your age is less than 18. Okay, so if I will enter the age above 18, like I will give 20, then it will give you can create your bank account. So basically when your condition is false, then what will be your output is defined by the else statement. So if statement is used to get a output based on a condition, and if that condition fails, else is used to get the alternate of that. Do you understand? And then we have if else if letter statement. Okay, so if else if letter statement is used when you have more than one condition. Like here we have first condition where age is greater than equals to 60, and then we are printing you are a senior citizen. Okay, and if your age is greater than 18, then we are printing you can create your bank account. And if both the conditions are not true, then what will we print? We will print you can't create your bank account. Did you understand? So if else if is used to basically when there are more than one condition. So if I will run this and will enter the age, like here if I enter 62, so it will give me output as you are a senior citizen. Do you understand? And if I will run this again, and if I will enter the age above 18, means let's give 40, so it will give me you can create your bank account. And if I will enter the age less than 18, like if I will enter 16, then it will show me you can create your bank account, your age is less than 18. So basically, this is how it works. When you have a single condition and you want output when that condition is true, then we use if condition. And if you want the alternate of the output, means if the condition is false, then what will be your output? Then we use else statement. And if you have more than one condition, then we use if else if later statement. Okay, so this is how it works, and here below we have some tasks which you have to practice so that you can understand better. Okay, so today we saw if else statement in Java. Thank you.